Hello, in today's video we're going to talk about traps, those pesky quick reversals in an otherwise steady market. You know what I mean. You get into the trade that's going in your direction only to reverse you out of the market. Our SMA Autobot strategy detects would-be reversals, traps, and we'll show you how you can do this by using an indicator you already have. With our SMA Autobot, the strategy calculates the slope, then compares bullish and bearish bars. If a bullish or bearish bar happen together or on top of each other, this would be considered a trap. Pretty simple, except for the math. Now you can do this with an indicator you already have. First off, we're on a 2000 tick chart of ES. Now go to the NinjaTrader indicators and get key reversals up and key reversals down. Key reversals is when the current close is greater or less than the prior close, depending if it is a reversal up or down. In the key reversals parameters, make key reversal up color yellow and set to a dot with size to 3. Key reversals down color blue and set to a dot with size to a 3. On the key reversals down, don't forget to set displacement to 2. This will move the line 2 bars over, or the dots 2 bars over. Make sure they are both on the same panel. That way we get the overlay. Now look, do you see where the reversal indicator dots are together or on top of each other? This is where you will most likely see a trap. Notice where the SMA Autobot displays a trap compared to the reversals indicators. Pretty close, huh? Cool. Now you know. The SMA Autobot strategy is free to try for 30 days and comes with a comprehensive manual. Just go to barsedgetrader.com or click on the links in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading!